What's up, everybody? You got the Car Man today, and we're doing some basic maintenance on a 2002 Escape. And we're going to be taking care of this third brake light. I'm going to be showing you how to take it off and put it back on. I'm starting to get a little bit more into these little maintenance videos because it seems like every car they keep coming up. So I'm going to start covering them a little bit more in depth as the cars are sitting here. Alright, meanwhile, this channel is all about education. And hopefully we will educate you. So the first thing you're going to need is a T10 while I'm getting started here talking. My goal at the end of this video is for you to be able to do this job yourself. Do a good job and show you how it's done. These bulbs will be listed in our descriptions with a link along with our very cool Amazon store. Check it out. Shop till you drop. You know how that goes. Long story short, this is a very, very simple job. And, you know, if you're getting your car inspected or you're at a shop, they charge you a couple bucks for this. Like, this is kind of one of those little pricey deals that you shouldn't have to pay any money for. They'll probably charge you a half-hour labor, even though it only takes about 5 minutes. It's lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. Don't mean to be blocking out your view here. See if we can go and get it. Now this right here is what you're actually looking for, the T-screw. Trying to, I don't even know if that'll actually focus in or not, but that is a Torx bit 10. And this is all you need right here. Once again, hopefully this comes in. But you can get a T10 anywhere. This is anywhere. You can get those little cheap ones that fold together. You probably need it anyway for this car because a lot of stuff has little Torx bits, bolts on them. I'll show you one of those. I'll put one of those in the links for you too. Alright, so all you do is take that out. And if you take a notice here, you see what we got. And, oh, you know what I need to get? I need to get a flathead screwdriver. What? You can turn around and depress this clip. I'll come up here and show you a little closer. And this is all you're dealing with right here. Dang, let's see if we can actually... There we go. So this is all this is. It's nothing to it, and we got a couple little... You see right here where the bulbs are actually located. You can kind of see them inside those cutouts. And then you would just slide the lens off. And voila, you can change the bulbs. So give me 1 second and I'll go get us a little flathead and I'll show you how this looks when it's done. So I can kind of put this right here where you can actually physically see it. Bring back this range. A little bit more in range here. Yeah, so that's all there is to it. Here's the part number. I'm guessing this is OEM. I never took it off, but I don't mean it's the right one. Yeah, so we're just going to take this cover off. The actual lens cover right here, and then that's it. We'll see what happens from there. All right, give me 1 second, and then we'll take her out. All right, hang on, be right back. All right, guys, so kind of doing this thing right here. Kind of got it ready to go for you. All right, so you'll see the 4 chrome tabs. And I just put a little flathead in there. I mean, you just don't got to be very hard at all. And you just kind of wiggle them. Make sure you don't damage anything. And we got one left right here. No, actually it wasn't on. It was on this side, so we're okay. And you want to wiggle this very nice because this has actually got 5 bulbs in it. So this is what it looks like, the lens itself. You can buy this part if you need it. But this is where actually lights up your stuff. Now when you take this off, you could get a couple bulbs stay in here because it is such a tight fit. As you see. But you just wiggle them out. They've been in there a long time. I'm going to see if I can actually read this from right here. It's a 5 watt, 12 volts. Dang, I can't quite make it out. Let's see if we can get it on camera. No. Anyway, I was trying to, okay, I think that's, okay, y'all gonna laugh, but I think that says I think that's an E1 bulb. I'm pretty sure it is. No such luck. Oh well. It does say E1 on it, so it's an E1 bulb. So 5 volt E1. You can get them anywhere. I'll put a link for you. I just wanted to make sure you guys knew how to do this because this is a common question. And I know it's kind of one of those things, if you do it all the time, it's no problem. But if you don't do this all the time, you might be like, man, I don't know how to do that. So that's why we're doing a couple little maintenance things today. Getting this thing ready to roll. I guess I'm on the wrong side of this. Alright. There we go. And then you're going to look at this end right here. Should be nice and square. And then you have like a little tongue that kind of slides up right there. But once again, I still want to be very careful because these bulbs are like zero clearance. Alright, I'm feeling pretty confident that we're nice and secure again. Is that actually broke? Yeah. Got a little crack in the base of that. I don't guess it's going to hurt anything, but there is one. Alright guys, so that's all there really is to it. I know. You're just like, man, I can't believe this video is over yet. I can't believe it is either. By the way, did I tell y'all we're broadcasting daily now? So, I got this whole diet thing going on. Because the car man had to get himself back in shape. So, put this back up here where you can actually see it. I'm going to install this real quick. Alright, yeah, so I've got this little, every day at 3:30 I'm kind of touching base with the YouTube tribe that's trying to get the old car man in shape. Doing this fasting thing, which is pretty cool. It's working out. I'm getting a lot more energy, feeling really good from it. Alright, okay, so you just clip it in. Bam, that's it. And then make sure you feed this back through here nice and good, because you could pinch it if you weren't paying attention. Alright, we're going to slide that in there. Line those holes up. Oh, she's trying to talk back to me, guys. Do that. By the way, I'm on Instagram daily too. If you guys get a chance to go over there and follow me, that'll be in the description if you want to join it. That'd be really cool. Working on getting that built up a little bit. I just like whatever I can do to kind of interact with the people out there that we're working with. I think that's pretty cool. That's what I like about YouTube. It's just, you know, it's not really process. It's like raw and in your face. Like everybody gets to deal with reality. Oops. Probably need the right screw for that. Alright, well, we switch from a flathead to a T10. And as far as torque goes, just, you know, kind of secure. Oh, that's the wrong one. I took the wrong one, guys. So I guess I'll have to go get that. Meanwhile, nothing but peace and love from the car man. And as you see, it's a beautiful day today. I'm going to be shooting some more little maintenance videos. But peace and love. I will see you on the next one. Hopefully I earned a subscribe. See ya, baby.